In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find indices on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the Watch List panel. The Watch Lists area is where you can search for instruments and keep track of the markets you want to monitor. Next, click into the search field inside the Watch Lists panel. This is the fastest way to locate a specific index. In the search bar, type the name or symbol of the index you want to find. For example, you can search for popular indices such as US 500, US 30, NAS 100, or GER 40. Be sure to enter the symbol carefully so the platform can return the correct result. After typing the symbol, wait a moment for the matching index to appear in the search results. The platform will display the available instrument that matches your search. Once you see the index you want, click on it to select it. This confirms that you have found the correct market. To open the chart, double-click the selected index. The platform will then load the chart for that instrument. Once the chart is open, take a moment to review the market information shown on the screen. You will be able to see the live bid and ask prices, along with the price chart itself. This gives you a quick overview of how the index is moving in real time. If the index is not already in your watch list, add it so you can access it more easily in the future. Keeping the instrument in your watch list makes it much simpler to return to it without needing to search again. This is especially useful if you plan to monitor that index regularly. From here, you can continue watching the chart and following the live market prices directly from the platform. This allows you to keep track of the index and analyze its movement whenever needed. Finally, verify that you were able to successfully find and open the index on the platform. If the chart is visible and the live prices are updating, then the process is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.